How to cut and sew a baby doll dress is what I have for you today. To cut and sew this baby doll dress, you need no pattern and it is beginner friendly. To make this baby doll dress, I make use of 2.5 yards of Ankara fabric, but this depends on the size of the person you are working for. If this is your first time on this channel or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to do so now and turn on your notification bell for you not to miss my upcoming tutorial. Let's proceed. To make this dress, you are going to need 4 measurements. Number 1, your shoulder to upper bust line. Number 2, your shoulder to full length. Number 3, your hip circumference. And number 4, your nipple to nipple measurement. And as you can see, this fabric has been folded into 4 folds. And here is how I got the folding. Multiply your hip circumference by 2, then you divide it by 4. My hip circumference is 38, multiplied by 2, that gives me 76, divided by 4, that gives me 19, and here is my 19 inches. So that's number 1 step. And number 2, you are going to subtract your shoulder to upper bust from your full length. So and you are going to start your measurement there. The next thing is to subtract your shoulder to upper bust from your full length. My shoulder to upper bust is 7 inches. So here is it, as you can see. And my full length is 36 inches. And we are going to have ruffle at the downside of the gown. Therefore, my ruffle is 7 inches. I'm going to minus it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my body length. So this body length, we are going to fold it by 3 inches on this upper side. So we are going to add it 1, 2, 3, and also we are going to join it here to the ruffle, and I'm going to use 1/2 inch. So here's my 1/2 inch. So the total for the full body now is 25 inches. This we are going to cut out. Now we are going to cut out the down ruffle. Remember, the length of the ruffle is 7 inches. Here is it. And we are going to join our ruffle to the body. So we are going to add 1/2 inch for the upper joining. Also, we are going to fold it by 1 inch on the downside. So here is it. So the total will give us 8.5. That's number 1 step for the ruffle. Number 2, this ruffle, we are going to multiply it by 2 for this. Therefore, we are just going to cut this into 2 pieces. So 8.5 here and another 8.5. So this we are going to cut out. So now we are going to join these together. We are going to join this together and we are going to pleat it to the size of this body. So that is the next thing we are going to do now. As you can see, this has been joined to form a circle, and also I pleated it to form hip multiplied by 2. Remember, our body is hip multiplied by 2. That is why we pleated this to hip multiplied by 2 as well. Now the next thing we are going to do, multiply your nipple to nipple measurement by 2. Mine is 7 multiplied by 2, that gives me 14 inches. So this 14 inches, you are going to rule it this way. Now our upper folding is 3 inches, then mark the 3 inches. From this 3 inches, go up by 1 inch. And also go up by 3/4 inch. Now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to notch this edge. Remember, this is the closed edge we have. So you are going to notch it this way. And after notching it, just watch me closely. You are going to lose it and pick this side. You can see. So here is the side. This is where our mark is. So you can see what we have now. So this is for a side, and we are going to read this 3/4 of an inch with our seam ripper. So this is it now. The next thing now, you are going to close this back side. After closing this back side, we are going to fold 3 inches here, and we are going to join it around, and also we are going to attach this down side. Then I will show you the final thing to do. Now, as you can see, the upper side has been folded and we've joined the down part as well. So the next thing now, you are going to mark 1 inch on this upper side round, and from this 1 inch you are going to mark 3/4 of an inch again. So this you are going to sew round to give us this rope channel. So that is the purpose of the 2 lines. Now, after running the 2 lines, so this is what we are going to have. The next thing, lay it flat on your cutting table this way. Here is my center back, so make sure you align the center back like this, then make sure the thing laid flat on your table. After that, locate the holes that we created. This is the first one here, and here is the second one. Now, on the other side, mark it as well. So this will serve as one side, while this will serve at the other side. Now, on this side that didn't have hole, make a rope like this. Then you are going to join it this way. I'm going to place it like this. I'm going to stack it down just to secure this rough edge. Then I'm going to raise it up, and I'm going to sew on this second line as well. That's how I'm going to tack it, and I'm going to repeat same thing to this other rope. Place it like this, tack on this joining, so when people see it on the other side, they will still be looking at single line, and raise it up again. Then you are going to tack it here. Make sure this space, this rope is free. This rope channel, make sure the thing is free. This is what I asked you to do, as you can see. So this is one side, this is the armhole. Now the last thing you are going to do is to make a long rope. The measurement of this rope is hip multiplied by 2 plus 20 inches. So you will pass it in from this hole, and you are going to come out from this hole. But this is how you are going to do it. You are going to move round. You move past this rope, and you are going to move round. You won't come out from this side, you are going to come out from this second hole. So that's what I'm going to do now. So this is what we are going to have, as you can see. So this is one armhole, and this is the second armhole. So to wear it, you are going to tie this side that this has hole. Is where you are going to tie to your shoulder first. Then you are going to pull this side, as you can see. Then you are going to adjust. With this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe now, turn on your notification bell, and see you in the next tutorial.